Hello guys, welcome to another video. In this video, I want to help and guide you on how to fix Spotify rap not showing up in easy way. So make sure to watch this video until the very end so we can't miss any steps on this process. Now let's jump into the video. So if you are having trouble with your Spotify rap not showing up, then the first thing we need to do is make sure that your Spotify app is completely up to date. Now, if you go to the App Store or the Google Play Store and then go to Spotify, and if you see it says update, you need to update it. And if you see open, now you already update now. Once you're done, and still the wrap word in the upper right bottom is not showing up, or your wrap update is not showing here, then restart the Spotify app. And if it's still not showing up, and the final way that we are going to do is open your web browser, Google Chrome, and then search for Spotify.com. And you can see the wrap is already showing here. And that's it. So before we end this video, please hit like, share, and subscribe if you are new here.